This is second grade GoMath Chapter 6 review test at the end of the unit. We'll work this review. There are 4 pages. We'll work it in sections, so this is part 1 of the review. Mr. Kent had 948 craft sticks. His art class used 356 craft sticks. How many craft sticks does Mr. Kent have now? So Mr. Kent had 948 craft sticks. They used 356. So what does he have now? When I subtract to find the difference, 8 subtract 6 is 2. I'm using the standard algorithm. 4 subtract 5. 4 10 subtract 5 10s. That's not enough 10s, so I need to go borrow 100, which is 10 10s, plus the 4 I already have, so that's 14. 14 subtract 5 is 9. 8 subtract 3 is 5. So now Mr. Kent has 592 craft sticks. The next problem, number 2. At the library, there are 668 books and magazines. There are 545 books at the library. How many magazines are there? So this number is the number of books and magazines together. This is how many books there are. So you're looking for the difference between the two. How many magazines are there? Instead of solving the problem outright, they're asking you to think about the problem and use some number sense. So is the difference 13,103 or 1,233? If I look at the numbers, I see that 565 and 668, the 6 in a hundreds place and a 5 in a hundreds place. So I know that I might have some hundreds there. Then a 6 and a 6. So, and then the difference between 8 and 5 is 3. So I know that the difference is 103. But what if I didn't know that and I needed to work that out? One of the strategies you can do is to start at 565 and use an open number line and see how many, what's the difference between 565 and 668. Well, I can jump 100. So I'm going to jump 100 from 565 to 665. So that was 100 that I jumped. And then from 665 to 668 is just 3. So I'll add that up, and my difference between the two is 103. And of course you could have also done the standard algorithm, 668, subtract 565, 3, 0, and 1. But the idea here is for you to reason through this problem. That's why they gave you those choices. And if you had added the two numbers instead of reading the question correctly, you would have gotten 1,233. Problem number 3. There are 176 girls and 241 boys at school. How many children are at school? So we're using the place value strategy here. 176, written in expanded form, is 100 plus 70 plus 6. 241 is written as 200 plus 40 plus 1. So when we find the sum, we have 300 plus 110 plus 7. And we add that together, 300 plus 110 plus 7. And our answer is 417. So select one number for each column to solve the problem. So we know the answer is 417. That 4 is worth 400. The 1 is worth 110. And the 7 is worth 7 ones. That's the end of part 1.